Today we're talking about owner-to-owner financing. Hey everyone, this is Wally Youssef with Sandbelt Cash Offer. So today we're talking about what is owner financing. Now, what is owner-to-owner financing? So it's a real estate agreement in which the seller of the property finances the purchase for the buyer. So basically, the seller at this point becomes the bank for the buyer, so it finances the purchase price of that property to the buyer. Now for this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of the owner-to-owner financing for the buyer side in this transaction. Now the first benefit, there is no bank appraisal involved in the process. So in a traditional way, when the buyer goes to the bank to get the financing for the property, the bank would hire an appraisal for the property to see what's the appraised value that they would lend money on. And it depends on that appraised value that could come up below the agreement price between the seller and the buyer, could come up at the same price, or could be even above that agreement. And every situation is different depending on the appraised value for that property. However, with owner-to-owner financing, you don't have to worry about it because there is no bank appraisal involved in the process. Now, the second benefit of owner-to-owner financing, there's no bank financing involved in the process because the seller of the property becomes the bank in that transaction and finance the purchase price to the buyer. And that also include the down payments and the whole purchase price, the interest rate, all that, the seller becomes the bank for that transaction. Now, another benefit for owner-to-owner financing, it's fast to close compared to traditional. And the reason is that there is no bank appraisal involved in the process, there is no bank financing, so which takes the most of the time to hire an appraisal, also through the bank financing where you have to go through the bank requirement, and that takes time to close on the property. With owner-to-owner, it's a lot faster because once you agreed on the purchase price, the down payment, the interest rate, moving date, then you'll be good to go and close on the property either with the title company or with an attorney. Now, the main benefits, it's owner-to-owner financing compared to the big traditional bank financing with bank requirements and time that spent with the owner-to-owner financing makes it a lot smoother transaction because at the end of the day, you're dealing more with traditional individual owners who own the property and they're looking to finance that property to the buyer. Now, it's a good option for buyers who can qualify for a mortgage or can get the approval for the bank requirement. Let's just say that would be the type of income, the credit, and you're not getting qualified for the traditional financing. So owner-to-owner, it's a good fit for that. Possibly it's the only maybe option that you have. That's what makes it really good benefits for the buyer because you don't have to go through the bank requirement. You would go through the owner requirement for that transaction. So these are the benefits for owner-to-owner financing. We're currently, as an investment company, we're looking to sell some of our properties as owner-to-owner financing. So if you are a buyer or looking to purchase property and can't get it qualified with the traditional bank financing, then feel free to reach out or fill up the form that we have in the video description, and we'll be happy to see what properties that we have at the time that you contact us as to sell it to you as an owner-to-owner financing. You can also share the video with your agent, with your lender, and we'll be happy to talk to them about the properties that we have as owner-to-owner financing. Again, this is Wally Youssef with Sandbelt Cash Offer. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. Bye.